LinkedIn marketing. Hello, friends, and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this LinkedIn marketing method for maybe getting some clients or maybe in the hopes to make some money online. Okay, so I'm not sure what is your purpose of using or trying this LinkedIn marketing, but if you go online and search what is LinkedIn marketing, you will see some something on the Google right now. As you can see on the screen, it says it involves using the platform to promote individuals or businesses, build brand awareness, generate leads, and foster professional relationships. Okay. And then building a strong online presence, company page, employees, content, blah, blah, blah. And I have made a demo LinkedIn account because I am not on LinkedIn. I don't give a fuck about LinkedIn. Okay. So let me ask you this question here first, that 30 years ago, let's say when your parents were looking for a job, when your uncle was looking for a job, when your grandfather was looking for a job, was there LinkedIn present at that time in this world? Answer one simple question. Were people not getting jobs before LinkedIn was even there? Were people not flying airplanes before LinkedIn? Were people not, going to the ship as a Navy merchant, in a job before LinkedIn? So this is the reason, you as humans have downgraded your skill and your personality and yourself, your attitude. You are thinking of yourself as a labor, and you think you have to have some LinkedIn profile because now you have made LinkedIn as your father, because LinkedIn is going to prove that you are a professional. Huh? Really? So some fucking idiot out there will create a website called LinkedIn or some other shit. And then if I don't have a profile on LinkedIn, then I will not get a job or I will not be considered a professional. Who the are you to tell me about myself? You know what? You people who are looking for job, nothing wrong in getting a job or doing a job, nothing wrong. This world runs when people do work for somebody else. That's called a job. If everybody leaves the job, then this world will not run and everything will stop. Okay, somebody has to do a job to run trains. Somebody has to do the job to run the flights, airplanes. Okay, so people have to do the job. Otherwise, the world will not run. Okay, so job is not a bad thing. But when you are, when you are dependent on some fucking platform such as LinkedIn to prove that you are a professional, or if you don't have a profile on LinkedIn, then you will not be considered as a job. Suck my dick. I don't fucking care about LinkedIn, Singdin. Your father, my father, everybody, your brother, all those people must have got the job when there was no LinkedIn. And trust me, 98% of the people on the internet still don't use LinkedIn for finding the job. So what the fuck are you talking about here? Now let's talk about those people who are looking for this LinkedIn marketing. What are you trying to achieve with this? Are you going to spam some people that, hey, I can help you get some more leads? Man, you don't have leads yourself. Okay, so for example, I created a fake demo or dummy this LinkedIn account, and if I show you my messaging here, these sponsored, and then all these people, I don't even know them. They started messaging me and trying to push their some kind of services to me. I don't fucking need your services. I just created a fucking demo account. So people are desperate. Okay, so when you are on any platform, LinkedIn just an example for this video. Any platform, could be anything: Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram. First thing, you do not own these websites. Okay, so do not establish or do not start a business relying on such platforms. Okay, there are many people who make a lot of money on Instagram. They make money on Facebook. They make money on Twitter, or this Twitter, and what is this, Pinterest, and then we have LinkedIn now. Okay, people do make money, but tell me one thing, my friend. What the fuck can you do if they try? If they decide to suspend your account? Can you do anything? Do you have any fucking thing in your control? You don't. So why are you investing your time on a method in which you have no control over, you know, over what you are doing? For example, let's say you learn LinkedIn marketing for the sake of this video, and then you try to waste your time in finding clients and you build a relationship. You know what happens when you try to build a relationship? You're faking your personality, nothing else. When you use platforms such as LinkedIn, all you are doing is formality. Formality means the other person doesn't know your true nature. Right now, I'm in this video. You know what? I had my dinner and now I'm recording my video and I don't give a fuck about what I'm saying in this video. That's my personality, a casual person, okay? If I have to show, oh, I'm a professional, I have a suit and a tie, and my profile pictures on my LinkedIn, and then you know what? I'm gonna need this job. I will suck your dick. Please give me this job. Fuck off. I'm not that person. It's been like 10 years since I did my last job, not blowjob, okay? So this is something, I think the majority of people, why they're not able to get out from the job, because they don't have a backbone to stand on their feet. Okay, so those people who are trying to learn LinkedIn marketing, first of all, two things: people were making money before LinkedIn was even here. People were getting jobs before even LinkedIn was here. Okay, so stop making somebody else as your father. You only have one father. I'm sure you know the name, hopefully. So stop making platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and this LinkedIn, Singdin thing. They stop making them as your father. Stop getting controlled by these platforms, okay? And even if you want to start a business online where you have to get clients, leads, whatever services you're offering, again, the same question. Do you have any control? Let's say you get 1,000 leads in LinkedIn tomorrow and then they shut you down. What can you do? Bullshit. Nothing you can do. You have million followers on Instagram, they shut you down. What can you do? Nothing. BS. Okay. You have something on Twitter, they shut you down. What can you do? Nothing. So you need to invest your time and money in something which you have some control, so that something goes wrong, you can still start and take it to next step further. But platforms such as LinkedIn, LinkedIn, Twitter, this and that, you have no control there. They shut you down, you're gone. Your work, your money, your time, everything is wasted, okay? So I hate LinkedIn, because since when LinkedIn is going to prove that I am real or not? Is my LinkedIn profile going to work in your office on the floor, or I have to be physically there? If my resume of LinkedIn profile is good enough for you, I will create a very handsome profile on LinkedIn and I'll send you my profile link and give me my salary. Or you want me to come into your office and work there physically and burn my ass for 8 hours a day, 25 days a month, and then you will give me the salary. Choose. Do you want me to work for you, or do you want a fucking LinkedIn profile to work for you? So I boycott such pathetic platforms, because I know who's my father. I don't make somebody else my father. Okay. So if you are interested in learning LinkedIn marketing, go ahead. You will find videos on the internet. Who will be wasting your time? Nobody's going to tell you that if you want to go ahead and invest your time. Time is something which you cannot recover. You lose the money, you can earn more, you can recover the loss. You lose the time, you cannot recover. So invest your time, energy, efforts in working on a method which is something somewhat in your control. Okay, what I do, I am making this LinkedIn marketing video for the sake of this video. Okay, what I do personally to make my money, you don't have to do it. Okay, but you can see here, I work in the back end and I make money on autopilots. You can see here all these profits. Okay, never any profits. How do you get to this link? I'll tell you. Okay, so you can come to this page. You can check out all these proofs. I do forex trading. You don't have to do it. If you don't want to, don't do it. Okay, but because I do this in the back end, that's why I am slave to nobody and nobody is my boss. Okay, I can talk very, very sweetly as well if needed, but I don't have a need. Okay, it's TubeCore creating the need, not the greed. Okay, so if you need it, you will get it. Otherwise, I don't. come after you. So how do you get to this link? You can find this link below my YouTube video. If you click on the first one, says make money on autopilot with forex trading, click on this link and that will take you to this page. Do your research, and if you like this method, you may want to try. Okay, so LinkedIn marketing is simple. You go ahead and try to beg everybody. I shown you those fake messages, fake people sending me as they have nothing else to do. They're begging everybody online, oh, do you want my service? No, I don't want your service. No, I don't want your service, sorry. Okay, so when you are watching my video, for example, am I forcing you to watch my video? No, I'm not forcing you to watch my video, right? So you found my video maybe in YouTube search, maybe in Google, maybe on your YouTube homepage, or maybe you're my subscriber. So you found my video. My job is only to upload this video, and then whosoever is gonna watch it. Okay? So I am not here begging everybody, please watch my video. I did my work. People will find me. This video will do the job. Maybe 5, 10, 20 people will find me. But when you go to platforms such as LinkedIn, I have shown you those people sending me messages even though I have created a dummy profile. So these people are so desperate to sell their services, they will not even spare a fake or dummy profile. They're approaching a fake profile to sell their services. How desperate they are. Do you understand what I'm saying? So when you want to learn something online, and one more thing you have to listen to me. Listen to me as a spirit to listen to somebody, okay? On YouTube. On LinkedIn, when you see the profiles, that is not the true nature of that person. That is not the real personality of that person. The real personality is when you are not working in the office, when you go out, when you smoke a cigarette, when you drink some tea or whatever. Okay, that's the real nature of the person you get to know as friends. What LinkedIn is gonna tell me about anybody? Fuck you, man, idiots. This world is full of idiots. You just have to find too many. Okay, so in the end, LinkedIn marketing, good luck to those people who want to waste their time. You could find something else to do in your life. Go and maybe open a tea shop, whichever country you will live. I don't know, but come out of this miserable approach that you have to get a job and then you have to get promotion. You have to impress your boss, male boss or female boss, I don't know. Okay, so then you have to impress your boss because I need promotion. You're not a female. You females can impress very easily. I will not get into those details, but yeah. So come out of this pathetic approach that, okay, I will learn data science, I will learn MS Excel, and I will, work more than anybody else in the office, and boss will become happy and he will promote me. Oh yeah? You know what makes boss happy? A blowjob. You can't give it, okay? So the world is harsh, accept the reality. I know how corporate world works, okay? I know how corporate companies work. I have spent enough time to reach where I am right now. It's leaving all that behind, okay? So let's not open the secrets in this video. But yes, LinkedIn marketing, it's the same marketing as every other marketing. You have to find clients. And even if it works for you, for how long you will be finding clients? You stop finding clients, your income stops. Okay. So eventually, I have done all that. Earlier, I used to do SEO for clients, but then I realized that for how long will I be doing SEO? Because if I stop accepting clients or if I stop finding clients, the money will stop coming. Okay, so I had to come with something reliable, or rather in which I don't have to sell something to somebody or I don't have to find clients. Okay, so I got this method: make money on autopilot with forex trading, and I make money in the back end. Okay, so do whatever makes you happy. And if you're watching the video till now, thanks for listening to me. And I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Till then, just chill out, man. Okay, chill out. Doing job is not bad, but if you can come out of it, that's excellent. Okay, subscribe, like, join my Telegram channel if you want to. I'll see you in the next video.